Are you trying to give yourself a bath because, you're missing? That's not your fur. That's not your fur. Good try, though. Good try. There you go. That's you. Now you're doing it. Look at you, how smart. Little itty bitty teeny weenie giving herself a bath. So impressive. Look at how cute you are. Oh my god. Are you hungry? I thought you were hungry. Look at you. Oh my god. So precious. Those blue eyes. Okay, I'm in love. Oh my god. So smart. Oh yeah, clean that toe jam. You gotta get that toe jam. That's right. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, you win the cuteness award. Oh my god, you're adorable. Oh my god. How could somebody leave you outside in a cage in the rain? 3 weeks old. I don't understand that. I can't do that. I can't walk away either. Nope. Had to save you. Had to save you. Sorry. Look at the itty bitty teeny weenie. So nice and clean. What good hygiene you have. We're gonna give you a bath though, okay? We're gonna give you a little head start with that. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes.